How to set private DNS on Android to block trackers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to block ads and trackers across all your apps and browsers, here is a quick way to do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now here inside this section, simply tap on Private DNS. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select Private DNS Provider Hostname. And after that, under that option, a text field will appear. As you can see, I have already typed the address bar, but if you don't have typed it, you can simply type dns.adguard.com. And once you're done with that, simply tap on save. And that's it. Now you have set private DNS on Android to block trackers. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.